it's going to be making tuna salad with Gabe 420. You know what I'm saying? So first you need 3 cans of tuna. I already put one in my bowl. I don't know why. So now we're going to drain out this last one, but we don't want to drain it all out. We want to leave a little bit of juice so you get more of that tuna flavor. So you're not killing the flavor. A lot of people. No. This should be a BuzzFeed thing, you know what I'm saying? It's like, you're opening tuna wrong. You're making tuna salad wrong. I don't care. I'm gonna make tuna salad. Like, I don't follow no rules. I just make the shit. If it comes out good, it comes out good. Now, probably should have said the ingredients for this, but it's pretty simple. You're fucking dumb if you don't know what tuna salad is. So basically, you're gonna take your mayonnaise, which in my case is whipped dressing because I'm poor. Yeah, life sucks for me. So you can take about like 4 tablespoons. And then you're gonna mix it well. Sounds like some good pussy. But you're gonna want it, depending on who you are. If you want it a little bit more, like, I guess, what's it called? Like more liquidy, I guess, or like softer. Put more mayonnaise in it. But I think I'm gonna put like half a spoon in there, and then it should be good. Hi, how you doing today? I'm just rummaging through random person's houses. Food supplies, fridge, I don't fucking know. Now you're gonna put your mayonnaise bucket. It's whipped dressing, okay? But put that in your fridge. And you get some bread, and you take it to your friend's house. Okay, you take the tuna salad, which is over here, and then the bread, and then you leave, and then you go to your friend's house. So, see you when we get there. Try that. Try this.
You want me to try that?
Cameraman, try this.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Now put it in the fucking bowl. Wow, that was easy. I'm being stared at. Tell me when. Alright, so now you get all that shit made. You get 2 pieces of bread. You put some of your concoction on it. You spread it around. Then you put 2 pieces of bread together, and then you feed it to a bunch of people who don't give a fuck. First and central. Okay, stop now. Stop you.